So I am Bart Jaworski. I'm the CEO of Group 11 Resources. Group 11 Resources just listed on the TSXV under the symbol ZNG. Well, we're solely located in Ireland. We're searching for the next big zinc deposit in Ireland. Ireland happens to be a top-notch jurisdiction for zinc deposits. It's actually one of the largest zinc producers in Europe and hosts some of the largest zinc deposits in Europe as well. And we have the largest ground position in the country with 3,200 square kilometers. We also have two resource anchors. One is a historic estimate, 7.7 million tons at 7.3% at Ballinalack. And then one other resource, which we just recently announced last week, which is 5.3 million tons at 11.2% at Stone Park, and that's right next door, literally about a kilometer away from Glencore's Palace Green deposit. Milestones, I guess, going back 3 years when we started the company from scratch. Myself, John Barry, David Furlong started the company as an Irish company. Then we started doing a lot of R&D, research and development, staked a number of properties. The next big milestone came when Mag Silver came and backed us about a year and a half ago now. The next milestone, I would say, is when we were able to acquire Teck's most advanced assets. That took all of 2017 to negotiate and fundraise, etc. So we landed those two acquisitions of Ballinalack and Stone Park in 2017. And then that nicely led us to an IPO late last year in December when we finalized that, raising $5 million on the venture. And here we are now. We started basically drilling, and the big milestone for us most recently was putting out that resource estimate at Stone Park of 5.3 million tons at 11%. That was a really big one for us. We're very thrilled to have that out the door now, and we can now focus on the drilling, which we'll probably have out the door in the next few weeks as well in terms of a drilling update. The team, well, the board of directors consists of Dan McInnes, who's the chairman. He's the retired CEO of Mag Silver. Myself, Bart Jaworski, so I'm the CEO of the company. I'm an ex-mining analyst and geologist, exploration geologist, 20 years experience in the industry, and 12 of that as a mining analyst at Raymond James. And then at Davy Stockbrokers in Dublin after that. Brendan Cahill is another director of the company. He's the CEO of Exelon Resources, which is a silver producer in Mexico. And then there's Alessandro Bitelli, who's the CFO of Lundin Gold. So that's the board of directors. On the management side, really quickly, it's myself, John Barry, and David Furlong. John and David are ex-Rathdowney, so another zinc development story in Europe. So they've done this before, excellent guys to team up with and work with. We also just hired on Mark Holdstock, who's a very seasoned PhD geologist that led the team in the discovery of the Swex deposit at Navan. So a very seasoned guy that's going to be coming on and joining the management team over the next 2 weeks. And then I guess lastly, I'll just mention that we've got a number of technical advisors, one of which is Peter McGaw, who's stemming from Mag Silver. So Peter's the brainchild behind Mag Silver's success in Mexico, which led to Mag becoming from a 10 million market cap company to a $1 billion market cap company with the discovery of the Valdecañas vein. Key message to investors, I guess, is our vision really for the company is to find the next big zinc deposit in elephant country for zinc, which is Ireland. We are especially thrilled to have this resource out, which is so much higher grade than we originally expected at 11.2%. That really puts us on the map, I think, globally. And having that resource right next door to such a large deposit, Glencore's Palace Green deposit, also additionally puts us on the map. So I would definitely point investors in that direction, and just the fact that we're actively drilling now, and that news flow is going to start hitting the tape over the next few weeks. Well, excellent so far. It's great to be in Hong Kong. It's a great city. It's great to be at 121. It's a very well organized conference, and lots of meetings booked for today and tomorrow, and look forward to forming new business relationships here and seeing what comes of it. So very excited to be here.